For my small business, orders often come in sporadically, and rarely do I get the opportunity to pack multiple within a close period. However, a few weeks ago, I had a record-breaking experience and I received 6 journal orders from that Tuesday to Saturday. I was absolutely blown away by the support and wanted to share this incredible experience with you all. So come along as I pack up these journals to go off to their new homes. This was the first order that I had the privilege of packing up, and as you see, it is a notebook-style journal. It's actually a traveler's notebook insert size journal. And for my notebook-style journals, I package them in a poly mailer. I always wrap them in vintage sewing tissue paper to protect them and to add some padding. And then I slip them inside of a mailer along with a thank you note, and in this case, also the order receipt. I did not have freebie stickers at the time of packing this order, but you'll see later on in the video I also include those. But I won't go through my packing process for every single order because quite honestly it's the same for each, just depending on what journal somebody decided to purchase. But I do want to come and just express my gratitude repeatedly. This is not a usual for my business. Usually I receive orders maybe once a month. In some cases, I've gone months where I did not receive an order at all, and that's perfectly fine. I'm still absolutely grateful for the support that my business has been shown and the opportunities I get to make journals and put them out into the world for people to use and love. I mean, I know that I enjoy using my journals, and it just makes it that much more special when others decide to place their trust in my little business and get a journal to store whatever memories and precious moments they want to on the pieces of paper. On Saturday of that week, I launched a new collection of journals, and I also received 2 other orders, so I got to pack all of those up. This is the first time that I've ever had a collection of journals sell out the day that I released them, so that was super exciting, and I was very happy to send them out to their family. It is the fabric journals that you'll see in the top right corner and then the bottom left corner, and I was so happy that somebody decided to purchase them and to include them in their collections, so I packaged them up along with the other ones, and this was the first time, like I said, that I had multiple orders, so I kind of had to figure out almost an assembly line. So for the hardcover journals, or for the journals that aren't notebook style journals like the ones that you see here on the screen, I used boxes to package them up. So I had to stamp little messages on the outside of the boxes. That's something that I like to do to add a little bit of personalization to the cardboard and make it a little more intentional and special, hopefully for the recipient of the journal. And then for this notebook journal, I packaged it like the previous order that you saw, and so it was unique for me trying to figure out the best system to get all of these orders packaged up as effectively as possible while still making them very special and including personal elements for the recipients. This was one of the journals that I had launched that day, and I'm just put all of the materials that I needed to pack it inside of the box, including its freebie ephemera kit and then also its drawstring bag. And so I put those together into the bag, and then I will pad it with more vintage sewing paper. I try to be as eco-friendly as possible with my packaging. Of course, there is some plastic that I have to use, but I try to keep it very minimalist while still including fun things that hopefully people can put in their journals, and then also using more paper. So for my padding, for example, I use vintage secondhand sewing tissue. I don't have need for the patterns myself, and I know that if they're in the thrift store, the previous owner didn't either, so I find this is a good way to repurpose them and use them for a different cause. So I use that to just provide some protection and some insulation for the journal to keep it safe in transit. If you're one of the amazing people who ordered a journal from me and you're watching this video, I hope you know how grateful I am. All journals that were sent were received, and I'm just absolutely blown away. I'm still shook at this weekend, even to this day. I apologize for the delay in getting the video out. As I said, this was a few weeks ago, but I've had a lot of things going on in my personal life. I got a little sick, so hopefully you can't hear that in the voiceover, but like I said, I'm just so grateful for you guys. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope that you enjoyed this little look at me packing all of the orders. Thank you guys for watching.